Hey, can we just have a real talk for a moment? Picture this. You sit down at your desk, books or laptop open, determined to crush that project or master that chapter. But out of nowhere, your mind slips away. Suddenly, you're daydreaming, scrolling, hitting refresh, or thinking of tomorrow's dinner. Sound familiar? You're not alone, and honestly, it's nothing to feel guilty about. It's the battle every one of us fights. So here's the million-dollar question. Is it just random distractions, or is there actually one tiny habit secretly destroying your ability to focus every day? Stick with me, because today we're exposing that sneaky culprit. And I promise, once you see it, you can finally take back control of your attention and actually get things done. What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. If your brain's always feeling scattered, if you're tired of leaving tasks half-finished or constantly telling yourself, "I'll do it later," I totally get it. Focus today is hard. But here's the crazy part. Most of us sabotage our ability to concentrate without even realizing we're doing it. And yeah, it's easy to blame your phone. Notifications, endless feeds, new memes, it's a lot. But let's zoom in, because the real sabotage is sneakier. Here it is. The innocent habit that's wrecking your focus isn't your phone, it's multitasking. Wait, multitasking? The thing we're taught to brag about in interviews. Yup, society has hyped it up as a superpower. Do 2 or 3 things at once, be more productive. Except, real talk, science totally disagrees. Let's break it down. Your brain is wired to focus on one thing at a time. When you bounce between writing an email, replying to texts, catching up on study notes, and scrolling Instagram, you aren't actually doing several things at once. You're just making your brain jump back and forth, over and over. Each switch actually costs you mental energy. Studies show it can take your brain 20 minutes to refocus after being interrupted by a competing task. So, where does this leave you? More tired, more stressed. Tasks take longer, you make more mistakes. And worst of all, you get that lingering feeling that you've been busy all day but didn't actually accomplish anything meaningful. Ever try reading a page for school while streaming music, texting friends, and watching cat videos on mute? Yeah, after 10 minutes, you realize you barely remember a word. That's multitasking's sneaky sabotage at work. But here's the power move. You don't have to live with it. Instead, you can train yourself to focus, just like building muscle. Here's how to start. Pick one task. Literally ask yourself, what's the most important thing right now? Write it on a sticky note, a chalkboard, whatever keeps it front and center. Pomodoro power. Set a timer for 25 minutes and commit to that task. No app switching, no just checking notifications. After, take a 5-minute break, stretch, hydrate, grab a snack. Declutter your workspace. Clear out distractions, physical and digital. That open tab for online shopping. It can wait. Night before plan, list your top 3 priorities. Waking up with a plan saves that first hour of indecision and wandering attention. Move your body. Seriously, even quick stretches or a walk boost oxygen to your brain and reset your mind for the next focus sprint. Watch your caffeine. Too much will spike your energy, then crash it, leaving you more scattered than before. Schedule your distractions. If you love scrolling social or gaming, make it a reward for after your focus sessions, not in the middle. And guess what? No one has laser focus 24/7. The most successful people build focus bit by bit, with habits and boundaries, not with superhero brain power. Let me share something personal. There was a week where my productivity tanked. I blamed my workload, my phone, my stress. But when I looked closer, I was just trying to juggle too much at once. I switched to the one-task Pomodoro method, and even just 2 focused sessions each morning changed everything. More accomplished, less tired, better results. And here's another fun fact. Did you know that multitasking actually lowers your IQ for a short period? One study said the drop is similar to losing a night's sleep. That's wild. You wouldn't show up to work without sleep. Don't let multitasking trick you into working with a fuzzy brain. So, I want to hear from you. What's one thing you'll commit to doing with focus today? Whether it's studying, writing, coding, or chores, drop it in the comments. Let's be real about those struggles, victories, and slip-ups. This is how we grow together. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends who keep bouncing between tabs or apps. I see you. Remember, focus isn't about being perfect or never being distracted. It's about noticing the habit, choosing one thing, giving it all your attention, and coming back again and again. You'll be amazed how much you can achieve in a day when multitasking finally stops running the show. Catch you next time. And until then, keep focusing, keep growing, and don't forget, you're capable of deep work, epic results, and way more than you realize. You got this.